Heartbreak, loss, and grief are some of life's most challenging experiences, leaving us feeling fragile and uncertain. Yet even in these painful moments, there is a way to rebuild and find peace. By nurturing self-compassion, reflecting on the lessons in loss, and taking small, meaningful steps, healing becomes not just possible, but life-changing. Let's explore how you can begin to heal your heart and accept life again. Grief isn't a destination, it's a process, and everyone experiences it differently. There's no right way to grieve, and it's important to honor your unique feelings. When navigating loss, emotions may come in waves. Some days are heavier than others. Recognize this as a natural response to losing something or someone you deeply cared about. These emotions are part of your healing journey. It's also helpful to understand that grief isn't linear. You might revisit stages like denial, anger, or acceptance repeatedly. Be patient with yourself as you move through these stages, knowing that each step brings you closer to peace. Support is key during this time, whether it's a trusted friend, a support group, or a counselor. Sharing your feelings can lighten the emotional load. Knowing you're not alone can be a source of great comfort. Give yourself grace. Healing takes time, and being kind to yourself is one of the most important acts of self-care you can practice during this period. After a breakup, divorce, or loss, it's common to feel disconnected from yourself. Rebuilding your identity is a powerful step toward healing. Start by rediscovering activities and hobbies that bring you joy. Whether it's painting, reading, or exploring nature, these moments of joy help reconnect you with the person you were before the loss. Self-reflection is another essential tool. Journaling can be a way to explore your thoughts and emotions, giving you clarity about what you need and what truly matters in your life. Surround yourself with people who uplift you. A supportive social circle can remind you of your strengths and encourage you to move forward with confidence. Set small, achievable goals for yourself. Whether it's learning a new skill or simply committing to self-care routines, these goals can reignite your sense of purpose and help you move forward. Forgiveness, whether for others or yourself, is a crucial step in the healing process. Holding on to resentment can keep you tied to pain, preventing you from fully healing. Start with self-forgiveness. Reflect on any feelings of guilt or regret you might be holding on to, and remind yourself that you're only human. Mistakes are part of life, and acknowledging them without judgment helps you grow. When forgiving others, it's not about excusing their actions, but releasing the hold those actions have on you. Forgiveness frees you from carrying the emotional weight of anger or betrayal. Practice compassion. Try to understand the situation from a broader perspective, even if it's difficult. And this doesn't mean justifying hurtful behavior, but it can help you let go of the pain tied to it. Use affirmations to support your journey. Phrases like, "I release the past," or "I choose peace," can reinforce your intention to forgive and move forward. Gratitude might seem counterintuitive during times of loss, but it's a revolutionary tool for healing. Focusing on the good in your life shifts your perspective from lack to abundance. And begin with small practices. Each day, write down 1 or 2 things you're grateful for. It could be a kind word from a friend, a beautiful sunset, or simply having the strength to face another day. Gratitude helps anchor you in the present moment. When you focus on what's good right now, it becomes easier to let go of the pain tied to the past. This practice also rewires your brain to notice positivity more naturally. Over time, gratitude becomes a habit that fosters resilience and optimism. Gratitude doesn't erase grief, but it creates space for hope and healing to grow. It reminds you that even in difficult times, there's still beauty to be found. Healing isn't just about moving on, it's about moving forward. Accepting new beginnings allows you to step into the next chapter of your life with hope and courage. Start by visualizing what you want your future to look like, what brings you joy, what inspires you. Use these questions to guide your next steps. Take small actions that align with your vision, whether it's trying something new, meeting new people, or taking on a fresh challenge. These steps signal to yourself that you're ready for change. Recall that starting over doesn't mean forgetting. Your experiences, even the painful ones, have shaped you into the person you are today. Accepting the lessons in your journey helps you grow stronger. Trust in your ability to create a fulfilling life. Every small step you take toward new beginnings is a testament to your strength and resilience. Healing often requires letting go of emotional burdens that weigh you down. Holding on to past hurts or regrets can stall your progress, making it harder to move forward. Start by identifying what emotional baggage you're carrying. This could be unresolved anger, guilt, or sadness tied to past experiences. Acknowledge these feelings without judgment, understanding that they're part of your story but don't define you. Journaling can be an effective way to release these emotions. Write down your thoughts and feelings, then symbolically let them go by closing the journal or even tearing out the page. This simple act can provide a sense of closure. Meditation and breathing exercises can also help you release stored tension. Imagine each exhale as an opportunity to let go of what no longer serves you, making room for peace and healing. Surround yourself with a supportive environment, whether it's a calming space at home or uplifting people in your life. This foundation helps you feel safe enough to let go of what's holding you back. Healing begins with self-love, a powerful force that reminds you of your worth, no matter the challenges you've faced. Nurturing this relationship with yourself can profoundly impact your journey. One way to cultivate self-love is through affirmations. Statements like, "I am worthy of love and happiness," reinforce your belief in yourself and help combat negative self-talk. Engage in activities that make you feel cared for. This might mean treating yourself to a relaxing bath, enjoying your favorite meal, or taking time to rest when needed. Small acts of kindness toward yourself can be deeply revolutionary. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Every step forward is a victory, and recognizing these achievements strengthens your resilience and confidence. Practice forgiveness toward yourself. Let go of any guilt or self-criticism that keeps you stuck in the past. Accepting your imperfections allows you to grow with compassion and grace. After a significant loss or challenge, joy might feel distant or even unattainable. Yet reconnecting with it is an essential part of healing. Start by rediscovering simple pleasures. It could be savoring a favorite dish, listening to music that uplifts you, or spending time in nature. These moments can reignite a sense of wonder and happiness. Engage in activities that bring a sense of playfulness. Whether it's painting, dancing, or trying something new, these experiences can remind you of the joy of living in the moment. Surround yourself with people who make you smile. Laughter and shared moments of happiness create a sense of connection and remind you that life still holds beauty and possibility. Keep a gratitude journal specifically for joyful moments. Reflecting on these experiences reinforces positivity and helps you focus on the good that continues to unfold in your life. Once healing begins, creating a vision for your future can help you move forward with purpose and excitement. Start by imagining what an ideal day in your life looks like. What would you be doing? Who would you be with? This exercise helps clarify your desires and goals and create a vision board to bring these ideas to life. Use images, words, and symbols that represent your aspirations and place the board where you'll see it daily. It's a powerful visual reminder of what you're working toward. Break down your vision into achievable steps. For instance, if your goal is to build a new career, start by researching opportunities or taking relevant courses. These small actions build momentum and confidence. Stay flexible. Life's journey is rarely linear, and being open to unexpected opportunities can lead to even greater fulfillment than you initially imagined. Hope is the light that guides you through even the darkest times. Cultivating hope helps you remain resilient and open to the possibilities of healing and happiness. Begin by focusing on what you can control. While you can't change the past, you can choose your attitude, actions, and perspective moving forward. Surround yourself with inspirational stories. Hearing how others have overcome challenges can remind you that healing is possible and that brighter days lie ahead. Practice visualization techniques. Imagine yourself thriving, surrounded by love and joy, and let this mental picture motivate you to keep going. Recall that hope isn't about ignoring the pain, but believing that better moments are on the horizon. Accepting this belief fuels your journey and allows you to keep striving for peace and happiness. Healing your heart after a breakup, divorce, or loss is a journey that transforms pain into strength and resilience. By practicing self-love, releasing emotional burdens, and accepting new possibilities, you can rebuild your life with hope and joy. If you found these insights helpful, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content. Share it with someone who might need encouragement, and recall that every step you take brings you closer to a life of peace and fulfillment.